Hey guys, Kayla Fab here, and today I'm going to do the update for my advent calendar project pan. I have now finished 2 more items, so I do want to open up a couple more doors. I'm only going to show you the progress on things that I actually have progress on, and we're going to go from there and make this a quick update, so let's go. Okay guys, so I want to show you the items that I have finished and go from there. So the first one that I actually just finished today out of my little bin of goodies, I have my Versace Bright Crystal little mini perfume, and like you guys know, I was using the atomizer, however you want to say it, but I was using the one from Sephora, so it is an easily accessible one, and she is all gone. I do quite enjoy this scent, however, I don't think I would ever buy the full size of it. I get enough of these little sample sizes and the little tiny like travel sizes, so I don't feel the need to buy one, and it's not my favorite scent ever. It is a really fresh, nice scent, and I am glad that I have it used up, but I don't think I would purchase the full size. I also have another one of these deluxe size minis, so I'll have to start working on that one too, but yeah, I am happy to have this one gone. And the other item that I finished this past month is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. This was not my favorite mascara. It just kind of made my lashes look like spiderwebby, like stringy, and I kind of like the full lash look more so than like the spidery look, like just like the lengthening. I did not love the brush on here. This is a like silicone type brush, definitely not my style, so I wasn't very happy with the brush. I was tempted to put the other brush in there, but then I kind of felt that would be a little dirty because the other one I had in my drawer for a really long time. So I wore this until basically it wasn't really depositing any more product on my lashes, and then I called it quits. It was about 2 months worth of use, so that was a really good amount for this, like 0.04 ounces. And I'm happy I have it used up, and I'm happy I have it gone out of my collection. I am done with that though. So 2 empties for this month, and I want to show you the things that I have a little bit of progress on. So I've been using this Mudmasky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask, and I'm pretty sure that this has been also breaking my skin out, along with stress and everything from the COVID crisis. You guys know I do work in healthcare. I do work at a big hospital. I was sick this past month, so you were kind of seeing updates and stuff from previously filmed, which I am really glad I previously filmed those. But I'm finally feeling better. I'm finally back to myself, and yeah, I've been using this and I'm pretty sure it's been breaking me out, so I decided that I'm going to use this now as a hand cream. So this will be an empty probably within a couple days. It is really nice on the hands, but on the face I'm pretty sure that it was clogging my pores, so would not repurchase this one. I wore this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss about 10 to 12 different days. So I do know that there is a lot of progress on here. However, I cannot really see it. When I swipe it, I can see little windows forming. So that tells me that I'm getting a lot of good use out of this. I did, however, switch over to the other one, the Becca lip gloss from my monochromatic project pan. So I kind of figured I had more time with this one than I did with that one because I only have a month with my monochromatic. You know, each month it changes, and this one is just ongoing, so I will definitely have this finished soon. But I am working on other glosses right now in my Project 10 uses, my No Lippies Left Behind, so I do have other lippies going right now, and I just kind of wanted to use this, so this will be gone soon. I have also been using my Becca Under Eye Corrector, and I do like this one. However, I don't think it is a necessary step in my, you know, makeup going experience, but I do think it does have a nice brightening effect to my eyes. And you know, on days where I'm not wearing any makeup, sometimes I'll just put this on and set it with a little bit of powder, and it really does brighten my under eyes and make, you know, the bluish greenish look that I have, like that sleepy tired look, kind of go away a little bit better. So I do appreciate that, and I'm just gonna kind of keep using this as needed. I used the Benefit What's Up highlighter stick thing one time, so that was on a no makeup day when I was going to work. don't love it, I don't hate it, I just think it's kind of unnecessary, but that's okay. I did use this Sephora gel lip liner in Nothing But Nude a couple times. Nothing to even sharpen, and I do like it. It's just same thing, kind of an unnecessary step for me to wear a lip liner. And I also wore the Real Her Girl Power in the shade Mauve, maybe 2 or 3 more times. So that is where we are at now. You can still see like the writing on the side there, if you guys can see that. I think my goal for the next update is to get the lipstick down to the top of the box. I know I wanted to finish this by the end of the year, but this might be a hefty goal for me, so we'll see. And then everything else, the Beaker Paris lip balm I haven't really used, maybe once or twice, and the Bite Beauty multi-stick in almond, maybe once or twice, so nothing to really talk about for those. Okay, let's get on to picking new doors. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next door we have is number 8, and 8 is right here. It has something sticking out of it, so let's see what number 8 is, and it does have 2 products in there. Oh no, I just dumped something. I dumped number 20. Okay, number 8. Oh man, I gotta put both of these in my inventory because I didn't know that they were in here. So we have the Cover FX Illuminating Primer. Oh man, these are both kind of like primers. So this one I have not tried yet. I am kind of excited to try. I do need to put this in my inventory. So my primer inventory is gonna go up by, I think 2. I think I used the strobe cream as a primer as well. Oh man, that's dangerous. Okay, so we have the Cover FX Illuminating Primer and the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. Ooh, and I'm tossing it. And this one is like 100% full. Like I can see the tiniest little air bubble just right here in this top corner, but other than that, it is very, very full. So yeah, that's a lot. Okay, so I can definitely work with these because I don't have these kind of products in my advent calendar right now. So definitely gonna be working on both of those. And I think I'm gonna open one more door. I like to open 2 doors each time because then it kind of gives me more of a variety. So let's put door number 8 back and let's pull door number 9. Ooh, and it does have 2 products in here. So door number 9 has a product and a paper. So the paper says Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. So let me go grab that. Okay, so let me show you Pore Dermabrasion. Here it is. So I've actually been craving a exfoliating cleanser to have in my shower. Right now I only have the Burt's Bees like gentle cleanser, and I feel like I need more of an exfoliator right now. So I'm really glad to have this. This is 0.25 ounces. I'm sure I can get quite a number of uses on there. So this is gonna go in my shower immediately. And then also in door number 9, there was a little mini sample size of the Mary Luminizer. I do have the full size of this, but I thought it would be fun to see how much of this product I could get. Like I said, I didn't know where Carter had put it in my advent calendar because he did load it for me. So I think I'm gonna go really hard on this highlighter. I do have other highlighters and other projects right now, but I think I'm gonna go really hard on this as like an inner corner highlight, as like a center of the lid highlight, as a regular highlight, and see how much of this product I can really finish in the year. Let's see, this is 0.04 ounces, so quite a bit less than a regular size, but that is literally where we are starting, so I will take a screenshot of that. I haven't even swatched it, I have not touched it at all. It has the original little like stamping on it, so super excited to see how far I can get with this one. And you know what, so I only had, primers, a scrub, and a highlighter. I kind of want to open one more door. I think I'm going to, just for the fun, right? Okay, so door number 9, going back, door number 10. And there are 2 products in here. Awesome. So once again, there is a product and there is also a paper. So let me go grab what's on the paper. Okay, so on the paper is the Shiseido Sun Protection, and I will show you the two products. So that was the paper and this is the product. This I got in that Fun in the Sun maybe kit at Sephora. So this is actually perfect timing for this now that the sun is finally coming out. It is April 4th, so yeah, it is perfect timing for this, for me to start putting protection on my skin, especially because, you know, I planned on going on a lot of walks and stuff like that this year, especially because right now we're under quarantine and we're allowed to go for a walk, so I will be going for walks. But yes, I'm excited to start using this. And then the other product I got, oh good, because I'm almost out of my one right now. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, and I have never tried this one. It is a teeny tiny little size, 0.1 fluid ounces. So, ooh, okay, it's upside down. There you go. That is this one. As you guys can see, like, it's not even as big as my fingers. So it is a very, very small amount, but I am glad to have it because I'm finishing up the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and I would say that this is probably 3/4 the way gone. And so I'm happy to have another one, and I will start this one once this one is gone. Okay, now I feel like my bin is getting quite a bit fuller. Fuller, whatever. Anyways, I do have to put some of these items in my inventory, so I will do that right now. Like I said, I wasn't really counting anything that was in here because I didn't want to spoil the surprise, so I will be doing that here in a minute. And hopefully by the next time I update, I will have a couple more empties. Probably the lip gloss, the hand cream that was a face mask that is now going to be a hand cream, possibly the primer. I've been loving illuminating primers right now, and my one in my Partners in Cream is pretty much almost gone, so I'm happy to keep moving primers out of my collection, especially because I have so stinking many. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this update. Make sure to go check out all the other ladies involved in this. I will try to leave everybody linked down below. And I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.